We do not own it. It flows freely and is given with no requirement or judgment of its use. It is the life force of all creation. I am here to tell you that this life force runs through each and every one of you and each and every one of all living beings in the cosmos. If you could glimpse for just one moment the purity of the light of all existence, the same moment that we allowed Lee to experience and to draw upon for her strength in her journey as she continues to expand into the being that she already is, it would most definitely change you. The worry and the fear that penetrates every layer of your current existence would vanish like a streak of lightning in the night sky. It would melt all the worry and darkness from your hearts and fill you with the light of love for all mankind. There would be no differences, no wars to fight, no burdens of finance, as with this love, all things for all people are possible. Your limited knowing of what the light is the only problem or issue that you need to resolve. The only issue. As once this clarity is yours, you will no longer seek anything but the essence that is the light of pure energy.